full roadmap how to reach 4,000 watch hours before 1st Feb. And unfortunately, if we can't reach to the 4,000 watch hours, I'm going to even tell you how to reach 8,000 watch hours quickly so yes, you and me can get monetized as quickly as possible. So I have break down this video in 4 phases, and every phase is a different strategy and technique that we're gonna use to get more views and subscribers to this channel and even at your channel. So let's start the phase 1, getting 1,000 watch hours. In this step, we're gonna upload 3 to 4 times in a week. Yes, it's difficult, but this is how we're gonna reach that quickly. And average video length would be 8 to 15 minutes. In the start, we're gonna focus on a clear niche. Yes, you don't need to make random videos about everything. Clear niche is important. We're gonna focus on making videos that are going to answer people problems, question answers that people are actually searching for. We're gonna use shorts to get subscribers, because we need 1,000 subscribers as well, and getting subscribers through short is the easiest way. In phase 2, our goal is to reach 2,000 to 3,000 watch hours now. Now we're getting in the serious territory. We will still keep our upload like 3 times a week minimum. Now we're gonna introduce series. Creating random videos is not productive, so we're gonna create a series that people have reason to watch the next video. Now we're gonna improve our thumbnails and title, because this is how we're gonna attract more audience. The first 30 seconds is super important, so we're gonna work on that too. Now we're gonna make playlist for our YouTube channel. We can't just upload the random videos because we're creating series, so we need a proper playlist for each series. And we're gonna link those series videos with the end screen of each video. So we're giving reason the viewer to click on our next video, and it will eventually add up on our watch hours. Making the follow-up of the videos which are performing really well. If something is working for you, double it down. You don't need to create or find every time a new idea. If something is working well, make a relative video like that. In the phase 2, our goal is to get 500 to 700 watch hours every month. The phase 3 is getting 3,000 to 5,000 watch hours. Now you're gonna think like a serious content creator. Your focus should be on CTR, retention, watch hours, and returning views now. If a video get 10,000 views and our average watch retention time is 5 minutes, we're getting 833 watch hours. So you don't need like millions of views to get monetized. Sometimes getting 5 to 10k views is enough. Phase 4, which will be applicable after 1st Feb, the new YouTube monetization rules. It's the 5,000 to 8,000 watch hours. So what we're gonna do in this phase, we're just gonna make 1 to 2 video every week. And our goal would be, it should be very interesting, highly clickable video, full of information. The difference is we're gonna make like 30 to 60 minute videos. Yes, we're gonna make longer videos because this is how we're gonna accumulate a lot of watch hours. We're not going to make 4 to 5 minute videos because right now you know what is working for you. That's why you have all those previous watch hours. Now you know what your audience is looking for. Now you know what content you are like making and what is working, what is not working, what you are enjoying. So we're gonna make a longer form videos. You can add live stream to this now. We're gonna make relationship with our viewers now. 8,000 watch hours are mostly 480,000 minutes. I'm gonna show you some calculation you guys can see, so you guys have a rough idea that how you're gonna do if you get a specific watch hour. The week 1, Monday we will research and do the scripting. Tuesday we're gonna film this video, and on Wednesday we're gonna edit it. On Thursday we will upload the video. Friday we will film and edit again. Saturday we will upload our second video, and on Sunday we will analyze our analytics and think about the other video, the ideas. Our goal is to make 3 to 4 videos every week and 7 to 8 shorts every week. You don't need to make 100 random videos. See what is working for you. Maybe try to make 10 videos and see which videos are getting more views. and start making those videos.